Does one man hold the reins of Wall Street? Can a single individual wield such influence that he can shape the financial world as he sees fit? That man might just be Larry Fink. As the CEO of BlackRock, the largest asset manager on the globe, Fink oversees an astronomical $10 trillion in assets. This isn't just power, it's something far greater, something that can shift the very tectonic plates of the financial world. The extent of Fink's influence raises provocative questions about the nature of control in our modern world. So let's delve into the enigmatic journey of Larry Fink, the man who might just be the puppet master of Wall Street. Every titan has a beginning. For Larry Fink, it started at First Boston Investment Bank. Picture this, a young Larry Fink, full of ambition and drive, starting his career in the hustle and bustle of Wall Street. He quickly made a name for himself as a top performer in trading bonds, showcasing his knack for seeing patterns among the chaos of the market. But as we all know, even the best make mistakes. In 1986, one such mistake on a trade cost Fink dearly, but instead of letting this setback define him, he used it as a stepping stone. This was the moment that sparked the creation of his own company. With a $5 million investment from Stephen Schwarzman of Blackstone, a joint venture was formed, Blackstone Financial Management. Fink's expertise in risk management and his innovative use of algorithms in trading bonds were the key ingredients that fueled the rapid growth of the company. The assets under his management skyrocketed from $2.7 billion in 1989 to $8 billion just 4 years later. By 1994, Fink was managing a whopping $53 billion. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Fink and Schwarzman had a falling out over compensation and equity. This dispute marked a turning point in Fink's career. It was this clash of titans that propelled Fink into the next chapter of his journey. But even titans clash, and Fink's dispute with Schwarzman was the catalyst for the next chapter of his journey. From disputes come opportunities, and for Larry Fink it meant finding a new buyer, PNC. This marked a turning point in Fink's career, catapulting him into the realm of financial heavyweights. As we delve deeper into the reign of Larry Fink, we can't overlook his knack for managing toxic debt. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? That was Fink's time in the limelight. His expertise in handling toxic debt was so noteworthy that he was contracted by none other than the US government. But Fink's foresight didn't stop there. He identified exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, as the next big thing in the financial world. This led to BlackRock's strategic acquisition of iShares, solidifying their position as a global powerhouse in asset management. Fast forward to 2020, when another global crisis hit. This time it was a pandemic. But did that stop Larry Fink? Quite the contrary. BlackRock was once again tapped by the government, this time to assist with purchasing corporate bonds. This move marked another milestone in BlackRock's ever-growing influence. Fink has always been a man ahead of his time. He's been emphasizing the growth of ESG funds, pushing for a reshaping of global capitalism. His stance on sustainability data and carbon emissions has challenged private companies to be more transparent, causing ripples in the financial world. And let's not forget his changing views on cryptocurrencies. In 2017, he called Bitcoin an index for money laundering. Fast forward a few years, and he's expecting cryptocurrencies to transcend traditional currencies. This change of heart shows just how adaptable Fink is, always keeping his finger on the pulse of financial trends. With his changing stance on cryptocurrencies, Larry Fink continues to keep us guessing. So what's next for the man who seems to hold Wall Street in the palm of his hand? Larry Fink's influence isn't confined to just finance, it permeates the very fabric of global capitalism. As the CEO of BlackRock, Fink's decisions echo across boardrooms of S&P 500 companies. BlackRock's considerable stake in these companies allows it to sway critical decisions, a powerful testament to Fink's far-reaching influence. Moreover, Fink is not just about making profits. He's also a strong advocate for sustainable business practices. Recently, he's been pushing for more disclosure requirements from private companies, particularly in relation to climate change. This is not just a statement, but a clarion call for businesses worldwide to be more accountable and transparent about their environmental impact. Indeed, Larry Fink's journey is a testament to the power of one man's vision and ambition. The question now is, how will his influence shape our future?